Hello there, this is Mr. Mtanyana from Walter Sisulu University. On this video, I just want to demonstrate on how you download and install the Blackboard mobile app on your mobile device. As you all know, that Blackboard or WSU is an official learning management system for WSU and is used by students mainly to access their course materials online and to participate on online assessments when required to do so. So these are the steps to follow. From your phone or from your tablet, you need to access your appropriate app store. So as an Android user, you would click on Play Store, and then after clicking on Play Store, you need to search for the app that you want to download, and then you type the name of the app. It's gonna be Blackboard Student. There it appears, Blackboard Student app, and then you tap, and then after tapping you will see a list of apps displayed, and then you will select the one with an icon with a lead pencil and a blue background. So this is the one that is currently displayed, and you can see that it has got more than 1 million downloads. And then you just tap on install. So it's downloading. You can see that the file size there is 26.97 megabytes. So let's wait until it finishes. Yeah, it's taking some time. Okay, but I'm happy now that it's done. So the app is automatically installing on your mobile device, and then you can see that now it's installed. Then you need to tap on open. To open the app, you need to tap on open, and then when you are accessing the app for the first time, you will have to type your school name. So type your school name, you tap there, and then you type Walter, then Walter Sisulu University will appear. Then you tap on Walter Sisulu University, and then you will have to type a username and a password. The username is your student number, your WSU student number. You type it there. And then the password is the barcode of your student card. Okay, keep me logged in. Leave that checkbox as it is, and then you tap on login. It's loading. It's loading. Then when it is done, your courses will open. Okay, here you tap on agree. Use touch ID. Login on Blackboard with your fingerprint instead of your password. No, let's log in with the password for now, but that option is available. You can log in with your fingerprint if you want to. So we are in, we have logged in, and we are on the activity stream. And then you can see on your top left corner of the window there are 3 lines there. That's your menu. Tap on that menu, and then you're gonna see your name, activity stream, your courses, your marks, your due date, your settings. Tap on courses, and then the courses, all the courses that you are enrolled on, they will appear. Yeah, so that's it. That's how you download and log in on Blackboard mobile app. Thank you for listening.